So, you know, good communication leads to safety, satisfaction, deeper connections. When you have those deeper connections, they automatically connect to strengthened trust, strengthened intimacy, strengthened mental, emotional, and physical safety. You have just this chain reaction that happens. It ensures consent and safety in all activities. It fosters that trust. There's two different types of trust in life, and just when you're involved in lifestyle. There's lifestyle trust, and then there's just regular, here's my purse kind of trust. Go to the store. Lifestyle trust means that you trust that person. You're putting your life in that person's hands. You're putting your heart, your mind, your body in that person's hands. It fosters a deeper emotional fulfillment, which is huge for females. Female submissives, they absolutely need this. Absolutely. Allows for creative and safe exploration of new kinks. Absolutely. This goes right back to the non-judgmental. If you are able to touch this, if you're able to connect with this, you're going to have a better kink experience. You're going to have a better dynamic. You're going to have a better relationship. Everything will just be better. You're going to find that arguments, fights, struggles, all this conflict in your relationship just goes right out the window. You don't have that problem anymore. Enhances problem solving and resilience in relationships. This enhances problem solving. This is where a lot of couples run into it, and a lot of dominants make this mistake. They say, I'm the dominant, that's it. And that's fine. I do that myself. But I first allow that open, honest communication. If my submissive has an issue, she doesn't have a speech protocol. So she can come to me and say, look, I don't like A, B, and C. Can we work on this? Or, hey, I'm having this problem with something that, Jim is doing. Can you help me solve this? And when it comes right down to it, when I speak on a situation, when I make a decision, that's it. There is no more discussion about it. That's just it. And if my submissive doesn't like it, I love her, but she can go cry in a corner. And if she really has a problem with it, like a serious, deep problem with it, we will pause that, and we'll come back around to that later on.